You're the one I want to hold before my liver starts to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, look what I got it.
Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, you're very welcome. If you love this video, please give this video a thumbs up. My eyes is done. I actually showed a video on this eyes, but it was very blurry. But if I find a way to fix it, it will be in the description box below. If I don't upload it, if you want me to reshoot it, redo the eye look for you, leave it in the comment section and I'll do it for you. Alright, so now this is a foundation process. Honestly, I can't remember what I was using here because this is a voiceover. I did this video like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so I can't remember. And I'll be applying the font also on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I wish I had used a chestnut, the darker color on my forehead, because this just changed my color. Like, I don't know if it was the light in my face. I don't know, or maybe I just know after the blending of this I was super light. But I'm using a real technique. Blending sponge to blend it in. My camera just stopped recording without letting me know. Yeah, that's why you guys didn't see where I was blending the concealer under my eye. But yes, I'm blending that baby in. And I'll be switching to the other side of the flat side of the Real Technique sponge, and I'm blending all the product together, the foundation, the concealer, everything, guys. Now to contouring, I'm using the Urban Decay. Like, if you guys watch my videos, I've been using this lately, and just 2 dots on my nose. And if you notice, my technique of blending and applying products has changed. Oh, I select my brushes now, because I noticed that when you use brushes that don't blend well, you get streaky lines. So that's why I'm very careful. So right now I'm using the Sephora Duo brush, and that doesn't give streaky line, and I'm just blending it. And I'm using the small pad because I don't want it to to be too much. And even on my nose, how I use big brushes if you watch my videos. So right now I use small brushes, and look at how my nose is defined. These are the things I've learned over the years. So back to the Sephora Duo brush, I'm using the concealer side to blend the contour. Normally I use an angle brush, but that also I don't like the effect. So I use the small brush first and go back with that angle brush to just, lift up my cheek. And also I use, the brush to blend every other areas that is needed to be blended. So I'm setting with Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I didn't let it set for too long. I just dusted up. Then I'm gonna go back with our Ruby Kisses, that is like more, you know, deep tone, and I'll just apply to the areas I applied it. Let me see, just setting over. So that's why I used it first, then just go back with the BB kisses because I don't want to look too ashy, you know. I still want to have my melanin, you know, popping under my makeup. You know what I mean, you know. So you know, I'm always using this contour palette because that's the only thing that works for me till I find something to replace it. It's old, but yeah, it's a real gem. So now I'm using blush. I'm using Maybelline blush, and so back to what I was saying. So I had to like section a part of my house, my living room, to shoot, you know, videos permanently. And because this is my first time doing it, I don't know, I feel like, and I use the same camera settings I always use, you know. But I don't know, for some reason I'm just super light in this video. So I think the light setup is too much for the section I'm using to shoot the video. Maybe it's too, the section is too small. So I'll keep just adjust, I'll keep working on it till I get my perfect. Please bear with me until I figure this out. Now back, I said back. Black up, black up highlights. If you don't have this, you need this. This is a holy grail. Like, you need you need to get this, I'm telling you. Now on my cupid's bow, and yes, we are done. Did my lips off camera, but still the same thing. If I upload the eye makeup tutorial, I would upload this lip so that way you would watch it, but it's still the same one I've been using in all my natural lip look, like neutral look. Same hold lip liner by I'm gonna leave it in the description box. It's gonna be in the description box, and the lipstick I used also will be in the description box, but same old thing. Okay, so thanks for staying till the end of the video, whoever did. Thank you. I love you guys. You guys are the best family ever. Okay, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Oh, okay, bye.